PJ's nav install. So first we're going to take the old one apart, and I've already got one that I already had in here put in, so it'll be mostly the same, but I am pulling apart one that was already installed. Got Klein making a lot of noise over here with the mama. Little impatient little reindeer baby. Got something to say? Want to say Baba? You just started saying Baba the other day. So you're going to want to use a pick or a really small flathead screwdriver, and there's a couple of spots up in these vents that I'm going to show you. Do the same thing on this side, second vent, then I can slide a finger in there and pull it out. So you can see the same clips should be here and here, which would be right in the second one. This is a slightly okay spot for it, it might fall. There should be a Phillips screw here and a Phillips screw here. Mine are not installed. 10mm up here, 10mm up here. You see how this slides down, and then you can bring it back up, otherwise it won't come out. So you got sharp tabs on both sides that love to cut up your leather. So you can see the widest point is about right here. That's about where we're going to try and bring this through carefully on either side. Just got to pull this cable that normally wouldn't be in the way. Okay, so you have two cables. The larger one, finger goes underneath and you can pull out.
Okay.
The last clip, the smaller one, is actually a big pain in the ass. You gotta push this tab down while you pull the cord out. So that helps to have a buddy. One can hold the clip and the other one can wiggle it out. If you don't have a buddy, normally I tell you not to pull things by the cord. This time, make an exception. So straighten out the cord so that it's facing like this. Push the clip down hard and pull on it.